Okay, Ivan, today we talked about skip counting. We talked about skip counting. So, what is skip counting? Yes, I know the definition is here. The definition is here, but you don't need to memorize this. Just see, look at the board, and you can tell what it means. You can see is, look at this apple now. The first row you have two apples, 1, 2. You have another apple, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. You can see we keep having 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2 apples. 2, we keep repeating 2 again and again and again and again and again. Look at this one as well. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So you see we keep adding 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. Look at this one again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. You can see we keep adding 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. We can do the same thing to 5. You can see counting 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what does keep counting means? It means to add the same number again and again. So for this one, you keep adding 2 again, you add 2 again, you add 2 again, you add 2 again, you add 2 again. Here, you add 3. The first time you add 3 again, you add 3 again, you add 3 again, you add 3 again. You can just keep going and going. You can look at this place. You add 4 the first time, you add 4 again, you add 4 again, you add 4 again, you add 4 again. So skip counting means to add a number, the same number, again and again and again. I hope you understand this, Ivan. So look at this one, for example. When we when you were given the first 2 apples, 1, 2, you have 2 apples. When you add 2 more, what do you have in total? Now you have 4. When you add another 2 apples to what you already have, you have 6. So when you add 2 more to the 6 you already have, you have 8. You are giving another 2 apples to the ones you already have, you have 10. You are giving another apple to the ones you already have, you have 12. So the more apple you are giving, the more the number keep increasing, keep increasing and increasing. Look at this one, the same thing. You were given 3 apples. When you were giving another 3 apples, the total is now 6. They added another 3 again to what you were given before. The total is 9. And that 3 was added, the total is 12. And that 3 was added again, you have 15. The more you have, the more the total of apples keep increasing. Look at this one. You were given 4 before. 4 was added and you have a total of 8. And that 4 was added, you have a total of 12. And that 4 was added, you have a total of 16. And that 4 was added and you have 20. You can keep adding, and before you know it, the thing keeps increasing. So now I hope you understand what skip counting means. It means to add the same number again and again. So now I have an homework for you. You have homework now. Since we have done 2, we have done 3, we have done 4. So you're going to do 5 and you will do 6. So you will take the first 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 apple. You may decide to choose apple. You can choose orange, you can choose mango, you can choose anything. Just count them 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if you can get the first 5, you add another 5 to it. You do it till you get to the 5th row. Like you have row 1, row 2, row 3, row 4, row 5 to the 5th row. Do it for 5 and do it for 6. Let's see what you get. So this is your homework for today. Thank you, Ivan. So please do it and submit. I'll be waiting for